All right. Today I'm going to answer a question that many Google Drive users have been asking. And that question is, why can't I find my file on my Google Drive account? There are reasons for this. Number one is when you log into a wrong Google Drive account. Maybe you have two Gmail accounts, all right? And you log into your Gmail account with one to then next time you decided to visit your Google Drive, and you use that one that is not the one you previously uploaded the file on. So you need to sign out from that one and sign in with that particular account that contains the file. Another reason why this happened is due to browser issue, all right? Maybe you are accessing your Google Drive account with a particular browser and you need to clear the cache files on that browser and other browsing data. So when you clear it and log in again, you may be able to solve the issue. So please try that out, okay, and see the results you get. Another reason why you may not be able to find the file you previously uploaded on your OneDrive account is due to what I call changing permission. Maybe somebody shared that file with you, and at a point, it gave you the permission to access the file as you wish. And maybe at a point, he or she decided to change their mind. I say, I don't want to give these guys permission again to view this file, and remove the permission he gave you previously. And the file inside it, you may not see that file again. Another one is unplanned deletion. Maybe you mistakenly deleted that file from your account and it went into the bin, all right? The recycle bin. You may check the recycle bin and the file may be there. So that's another reason why you may not see that file there again. Another reason why this happened is incomplete syncing, all right? Maybe you uploaded the file on your Google Drive account and you did not wait for it to be fully uploaded before you exit from the browser. That can cause that. And a situation like that, when you come into your account again, you find out that that file is no longer there. So allow your file to sync properly before you exit. Okay, another reason why you may not find the file you previously uploaded on your Google Drive account is what I call Google Outage. All right, what that means is the Google platform is having problem, okay, from their back end, and for you to access your file, they need to fix that problem. If you feel that may be the cause of you not finding your file, you may give them an hour or two, or even the whole day. Then you come back and check that may fix the problem and you see your file in your account again. So that's all for today. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.